Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Let's Learn with Zarina Raza. Namaste, good morning, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, whatever you feel better. Friends, today I am going to teach you animal and their sound. So let's learn animal and their sounds. Welcome to my EVS class. Children, today we will learn about the animal sounds. Children, like we communicate with friends, relatives, families, etc., animals also communicate with each other and make sounds. So, children, let's start with rooster. And I think you all can make a rooster sound. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. This is mouse. Mouse squeaks. Mouse squeaks. Mouse makes a squeak sound. Mouse makes a squeak sound. Yes, this is lion. Children, you all know this is lion. And lion is the king of the jungle. And lion roars. Tiger also roars. Leopard also. And lion makes a roar sound. Lion makes a roar sound. Children, can you make a cat sound? I can also make a cat sound. Cat meow. Cat meow. Cat makes a meow sound. Cat makes a meow sound. Horse is a domestic animal. It eats grass. Children, do you like horse riding? Okay, do you know the sound of horse? Okay, I'm going to try. Just listen. Horse neighs. Horse makes a neigh sound. Horse makes a neigh sound. Children, goat is also a domestic animal. It eats grass, and you know what does goat give to us? Goat gives us milk. And do you know the sound of goat is bleat. Goat makes a bleat sound. Goat bleats. Now, ma'am is going to make a goat sound. Goat makes a sound meh. Goat makes a sound meh. Children, you all know that woolen clothes are made from wool, and we get wool from sheep. And the sound of sheep is ba. Sheep makes a ba sound. I think you must have learned this poem, Baba, Black Sheep. Children, cow is a pet animal. It eats grass. It has long tail, and it is found in many colors like white, brown, black, and cow makes a moo sound. Cow, moo. Cow makes a moo sound. Yes, this is dog. Children, do you know dog is a faithful animal? It is a flesh-eating animal and barks. Dog makes a woo sound. This is elephant. It lives in jungle. And do you know, children, elephant likes to eat sugar cane. It has long trunk also, and the sound of elephant is trumpet. Elephant makes a trumpet sound. Children, do you know what is this? This is an owl. It is a bird and it lives in jungle. And do you know, children, It can see only in nights. An owl makes a hoot sound. Owl hoots. Children, do you know this animal? Yes, this is wolf. It is a wild animal and it is also a flesh-eating animal. And wolf makes a howl sound. Wolf howls. Wolf makes a howl sound. This is parrot. It is green in color. It has red beak. And do you know, children, parrot can talk just like human beings. So parrot talks. Parrot talks. This is a national animal, tiger. It is a wild animal. It is a flesh-eating animal. And you know, children, tiger makes a sound grrr. Tiger grrr. This is a frog. It is an amphibian. Children, do you know frog can live in water and on land also. And do you know the sound of frog is ribbit. Frog makes a ribbit sound. Frog makes a ribbit sound. Children, I hope you all have understood about the sounds of animals.